Hi, I'm Crystal from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and I'm going to do a quick video on putting together our scalloped patriotic placemats. This is what your finished product is going to look like, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put this together. Okay, so first you're going to cut your back. You're going to find the center of your placemat. This is a fusible placemat. Find the center of your back. I mark them both, and then we're just going to place it right on top there. So there's my center there. We're going to move it up, and then I would take that to the iron, and I am going to just iron that on. I do recommend using a pressing sheet when doing this, just so you don't get any of the fusible on your iron. Next step is to add our small borders. So we've cut our 1x7 side borders. We're going to sew those on right here. Flip them over, and there's your side borders. We'll do the same thing with the top and bottoms. These are cut 1 by 11.5. Remember that 1/2 inch. So those are going to go right here, and then you'll do your outer borders. Same idea. You're going to cut your sides 4 by 8, and they're going to go on right here. And then you're going to cut your top 3 by 20, and they're going to go just like this. So this is going to be the top. Then what we're going to do is put our backs right on top of that. You're not going to do any trimming yet, but you'll just take your backs. You've already folded it over 1/4 twice and stitched it. You'll lay your backs right on top of this. Just envelope them right in there, just like this. And then what you're going to end up with is something that looks just like this. So I have enveloped them right on top. I took it, flipped it over, and then I am going to stitch 1/4 inch all the way around, just following my scallops all the way around. Then you're going to take your scissors, and you're just going to trim both the front and the back fabrics right along the outside of that scalloped placemat. I've already done most of it. Super easy. You can do this also if you have a small rotary cutter. And then you're just going to take your scissors, and you're going to clip right up to, not through, but right up to your stitch line. That's just going to make it turning just a little bit easier. Flip it over, and I'm going to take and flip this right side out all the way around, just gently going all the way around. And then I am going to grab one of my absolute favorite tools. It's called the R&K turning tool. Let me grab it. And I am just going to take that turning tool and very slowly just start pushing my scallops out from the back side. You go all the way around, and if you clipped your corners nicely, look how nice that lays. You don't have any problem. If you want to, you could top stitch that down or just leave it. I didn't even bother doing the top stitching. So I went all the way around it. We have a nice envelope back. Like I say, the two things I really recommend doing this is definitely use a pressing sheet so you don't get any of the fusible mat onto your iron, and an R&K turning tool or any kind of turning tool that just helps you push those little scallops out. And here is the finished mat. This is what it's going to look like. This is your pocket in the back. Really nice little pocket. It's all fused right on there. One other recommendation, I like to use a scant 1/4 inch on this, okay? Because you don't want to have a whole bunch of excess fabric on your edges. So if you use just a scant 1/4 inch, putting all of these little borders on there, it's going to make everything come out nice and even. So that is how you're going to make your patriotic scalloped placemat. Thanks so much for watching.